What is up, Play with Patty fam? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video, we'll be playing Snoring, part 2 of our popular favorite game. I really love this game so much. My childhood game has brought me this much fame. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Play with Patty fam, for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. We're 815 subscribers away from 1,000. Yay! For all the love and support. I can't wait to hit 1K. Thank you so much. 1K, 1K. Yeah. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. I'm really excited. And let's just watch the game. Now I'm gonna play with Patty shorts. I will be making a daily puzzle of snoring. Thank you so much. Bye, Play with Patty fam. And once again, this game is about a cow, a zebra, an elephant, a hippopotamus, and actually not hippopotamus, but it's actually a great game. Thank you, Play with Patty fam. Bye.